Okay, so I am starting to run out of time, but I do want to do just for sure one more for you. And this is going to be a graphing, so let me just get a piece of graph paper here. And this is our inequalities. This was last semester, but we've been doing graphing, so I don't think it's hurt at all to put it on. We've been doing inequalities. So we're just going to graph, okay? So we're going to start off with the first one. And if you want, some of you like to, it seems like, change this to solve for y. So I'm going to move my 4x over. Okay, which means that I am going to have a y-intercept of 2 and a slope of a negative 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, now it is just a less than, so remember that means that it is a dotted line. Okay, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to test 0, 0 to see where I need to shade. So 4 times 0 plus 0, so is 0 less than 2? And that's a yes. So that means this is a yes. So I am going to shade then on this side. Okay. So there's my green shading. Okay. Now let's do the next one. Let's do it in purple. And again, we're going to solve for y. So I'm going to move the x over. So y is less than, a negative x minus 1. So my y-intercept is going to be at a negative 1. My slope, so negative 1. My slope is also a negative 1, down 1. Okay. Right 1, down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1. I might also go up, just so I get me a nice graph. Okay, and again, it is just a less than, so it's dotted. There's that. Okay, and then I'm going to test 0, 0. So 0 plus 0, is that less than a negative 1? So is 0 less than a negative 1? And that is, so here's 0, 0. I'm testing, and that's a no, it is not. Which means that I need to shade away from, so this is a no over here. So my purple needs to shade so that 0, 0 is not included. Okay, now take a look at that, and where do you see both purple and green? And that is actually my final answer. So I see purple and green right here and here. Okay, so my final answer is actually this kind of open V over here. Okay. Now, if you are probably looking at it on a multiple choice test, then they're only going to give you the final answer. They're not going to show all of it. They'll just show the blue piece of it. Okay? Now let's see what else I want to show you. I don't really think there's anything else necessarily that you need to see on that. Okay, so that's all I'm going to put on this one, I think. So good luck. If there's anything else that I have not done that you want me to do, then I can do some of those.